An Arizona revocable transfer on death deed, also referred to as a beneficiary deed, is a legal document used to transfer real property to descendants outside of probate court. This document allows the property owner to pass land or a home directly to beneficiaries upon his or her death. In this video, we'll cover legal requirements for recording an Arizona transfer on death deed and how to revoke an Arizona transfer on death deed. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms. We are here to explain and simplify complex legal processes you may come across in everyday life. To begin creating your own Arizona transfer on death deed, click the link at the end of this video. First, let's review the legal requirements for a transfer on death deed in Arizona. According to state law, this document must be notarized. No witnesses are required. However, the deed must be recorded with the county recorder's office in the county where the property is located before the owner's death. But before you can record your deed, you will need a legal description of your property. A legal description contains information regarding your land or home. The formatting varies from property to property, but it may sound a little like this. Lot 78, Block 9 of Green Meadow Subdivision, according to map or plat thereof as recorded in Plat Book 89, page 10 of the Public Records of Mojave County, Arizona. Since this information is so specific, you probably don't know it offhand. Fortunately, there are 3 ways to find a legal description of your property. 1, you can look at your property tax statements, or 2, you can review your current deed. If you're still struggling to find a legal description of your property, reach out to your county recorder's office. They'll be able to pull the verbiage from a plat book. Okay, you've secured a legal description of your property and signed the deed before a notary. So what's next? Now it's time to record the deed with your county's recording office. This is a fairly straightforward process. Just keep in mind that there will be a $30 recording fee for each document. Once recorded, your Arizona transfer on death deed will be effective on the date of your death. That means your property will be conveyed to the designated beneficiary when you pass away. But what happens if you change your mind and you want to revoke the deed? To revoke an Arizona transfer on death deed, you have 2 options. Complete a revocation of transfer on death deed form. This document must be notarized and recorded at the local county recorder's office before the property owner's death. Or complete and record a new transfer on death deed for the same property. In Arizona, the last deed recorded before the property owner's death is the effective deed. Obviously, no one wants to think about their death, but planning ahead of time protects your legacy while also sparing your children or grandchildren the stress of probate proceedings. So if you're ready to begin creating your own Arizona transfer on death deed, click the link below, and be sure to subscribe to learn more about related topics.